Another new store, taho with ice cream. Look. Something new. At the food court of Robinsons. See? Small businesses flourishing. Look. Yan ang flavor nila, oh. See? Talagang flourishing ang economy. Slow but sure. Otherwise, businesses will not gamble. Something new, nowhere else. But here's the first store. Robinsons Galleria, Manila. Food court. See the price? It's affordable. Come with your families. Remember, may Pamilya Fair ang LRT, MRT during Sunday. Have your desserts here. Kahit once a month. See? Okay. Ganda, no? Sarap. Look. Yan ang flavorings nila. Something, no?